I am an eagle. Let me spread my wings across this wondrous land and stand for all good things.
In a society where much emphasis is placed on personal wealth accumulation, we must always remember the less fortunate among us. This is who we are, eagles. We know that the more we give of ourselves, the more we are likely to receive, so that we can continue to make a difference in the lives of others. Welcome, and mabuhay ang Agila.
For God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly.
Eagles, the Philippine eagles, lasting peace, honorable mission. We're eagles, friends to all people, pillars of the nation.
These are the applicants of Mactan Dagami Eagles Club. These applicants have undergone and completed the mandatory orientation seminar, orients, given their solely in behalf of the Philippine Eagles Institute of Leadership, held on February 27, 2021 at Soria Farm Resort, Cordoba, Barangay Alegria, Cordoba.
When the storms of life are raging, let me help mankind to see I am an eagle, doing all I can to ease the pain, to lessen ills, to lend a hand. Lord, let me live.
We have a commitment to our community, to our country, and to our fellow Indians. Therefore, we must respect, support as brothers in this brotherhood. Equal past national president, BukoolFilms. These are the club officers for Eagle Year 2021 of Mactan Dagami Eagles Club. I am now highly recommending to you these officers for induction and mobility.
For God and home we live or die. I'll see you up where eagles fly.
Being an eagle is just a sacrifice. Maybe we should say more of a sacrifice. So I challenge you, kaning new set of officers sa Mactan Dagami Eagles Club to please perform anyway para man sa inyong club.
O imo huna-una-on ba yan? Kining Fraternal Order of Eagles, the Philippine Eagles, is the first fraternal civic organization na nagtao din sa Pilipinas. We share, we care. We are for giving joy to the needy. This gathering tonight is another healthy fellowship with our brothers, which strengthens and nurtures our ties, characterized by our humanitarian service, guided by our principle, service through strong brotherhood. Let all put in our hearts the true value of our ties, and let's all rise with pride and honor, being courageous and noble, similar that on an eagle.
Remember, even you are not the same blood, not the same mother, not the same father, we can be a brother in one common goal, one mission, one vision. Eagle is the leader among all the birds.
Service is something not new to me. Because even when I was young, I was very active in religious and social civic services, no, mga organizations. I learned that the Fraternal Order of Eagles is to eliminate the illness of society. And now that I'm in the field of public service, mas ni grabe na himo ng akong pagtabang sa mga tao.
Mabuhay ang agila! Mabuhay ang tanan! Mabuhay!